We see a lot of challenges day to day with organizations trying to implement digital innovation strategies. We're here today to talk about some of the most popular use cases within the accounts payable process. What are the top 3 most popular use cases for digital innovation within an accounts payable process?
Operational efficiency through automation is the big banner, plus modernizing core systems and positively affecting people's lives through changes in culture.
What, if anything, would you say those 3 things have in common?
I mean, the thread through all of them is basically enabling people to do the best work, right? It's giving people the best tools to do the best work. As technology matures and becomes more accessible to people, their expectations change. So making sure that you're meeting your internal customers, meeting your employees where they are at, giving them what they need. Because ultimately those are the people you rely on to make these processes work.
So tell me more about increasing operational efficiency through automation.
When we look to increase operational efficiency, normally we're looking at employing some technology into the processes. That sort of technology falls into a couple of pretty big buckets, particularly document extraction. So being able to take incoming invoices into an AP process, pull the data off of those documents in order to create some meaningful data that we can then reference against other systems inside the organization so that we're confident that that data has integrity in order to automatically post it into ERPs or foundational systems.
That second piece that you mentioned,
Sure.
Modernizing core business systems. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, for sure. That's really key to an organization to get that particular part right. That modernizing of core systems inside AP, inside any organization really is about getting the foundations right. It's about making sure that the system that's going to run the business, hold the business rules, and be the record or the place of truth for all of the data inside the organization should be a solid enterprise-ready ERP.
Last, you mentioned culture, and I'm not sure that that's the first thing that people think of when they think of digital innovation.
There's people behind all the processes that we do on both sides. On our side, there's experts who are helping navigate the space, but on the customer side, there's people that are using this software all of the time, right? So being able to use software and technology to offload some of the more analytical parts of the equation, that's going to free up time for the humans to do the more human stuff, right? And ultimately that leads to better job satisfaction because we are making advancements. We have solid ERP foundations. We have robotic process automation and document extraction to help you not have to do these rote repetitive tasks, to free you up to ultimately be happier and more engaged with vendors and customers.
If you want to improve your accounts payable workflow automation or tech overall within your organization through the use of a digital innovation strategy, Impact can help. Our experts have experience working in all different industries and types of companies, so contact your Impact specialist today.